Hi, this is Shrilu for PNSQC 2015, and I invited our main volunteers and board members, whoever I could find, for an ambush interview because we never get to talk to them. So now we're going to talk to them. Rita, take it.
Yes. So here we have our beautiful team, and we're gonna find out what they've been doing this whole year. Lloyd, tell us a little bit about your work for PNSQC.
All right, well, I'm one of the board members, started this year, and I've just been enjoying the conference and actually the food. It's been amazing. Oh my
Yeah,
gosh.
right? The pastries. Ian, what about you?
No, Lloyd.
What?
You have you do more than that. Didn't you create our app?
Yes. Well, I didn't create the app personally. Our
Oh.
company, Crowd Compass, did, and I oversaw everything that had to do with it.
Okay.
We also got the beautiful social wall out there
Yeah.
that
Oh,
everybody's
that's
taking
true.
advantage
That
of.
was a success.
Yeah, so everybody's enjoying that, getting people excited.
They are
That's
actually
good.
really enjoying it. And Ian, go.
Yes. Well, I really enjoyed getting to see the conference take shape over the course of the year. It seems so distant when we start planning it, and then suddenly it's right around the corner, and we're all nervous. In order to add to the stress level, I decided to submit a paper as well. And so, if I seem relaxed now, it's because the paper's done, and I'm off the hook, and I just get to enjoy the rest of the conference.
You've also been doing the board game lunch, right?
Yes, I brought in some board games, some cooperative board games, some storytelling board games, and one particular board game that advertises that it was never tested. So I brought a bunch of testers to test it,
Nice.
and we had a fantastic time with it.
Yeah, I lost, but
We tried to
it was
save the
fun.
world today, and we failed.
We
Sorry.
failed.
That's okay. We still love you and your bow tie.
Bow ties are cool.
Tim,
Yes, dear.
tell us, what have you been doing for PNSQC this year?
Well, this year I'm the program chair, and so I spent the last 9 months putting together all the speakers and everybody else who's going to show up here and talk, and how to make it a nice time for everybody who comes to the conference.
Wow, that's like a baby.
It is kind of like a baby, yeah. It's very much like a baby.
Well, actually, Doug calls it herding cats.
Well, that is true also. Herding cats in diapers. Maybe we can find a compromise between the two. I don't know.
I'll try to find a poster. Yeah,
Shana.
he's
Gotta
in
be
charge
true
of
for that
putting
song.
all of the program together, and he did an amazing job working with newbies and oldies. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, Shana, tell us a little bit about your work this year.
So this year, like as in past years, I focused on networking events such as the lunch hour, where we did some brewers on Monday from tea, coffee, and beer from local companies, and then today we had Meet the Speakers and Meet the Challenge, and kind of help with the spin and.
Cool, and you've been doing this for 25 years, right?
Yes.
Wow, that's a
Wow.
lot.
That is-
You're sort
We're
of like
not
a
worthy.
plague or something, right? We should
So-
change the name to Shana.
I have a lot of T-shirts. I
Yeah.
have a lot of
That
T-shirts.
is what the
You
S
should
stands
you should
for,
have a
stands
whole
for
page
Sean.
for you by now. Yeah. So Lloyd was wondering what was food like 25 years ago.
Oh.
He loves the food, by the way.
I think it used to be sandwiches then too.
Oh.
Although at the
Wow,
conference
Vintage.
center,
Vintage,
we had some
vintage
vintage too.
sandwich.
It was
Same
in
ones.
monochrome.
Cool. Brian, what about you? What have you been doing?
I'm marketing chair for PNSQC this year. It's been just a fun ride. From the very
Yeah.
get-go, we designed the theme and get buy-in from the group about what the theme and the rallying point for quality is going to be for that conference year.
Yeah.
Even the T-shirts that I'm wearing right now, we work with the logos. This is an AA-friendly one. We had 2 different versions of it, by the way. So
Yeah.
those kind of input all contribute into the quality going forward.
Yeah.
I think one thing that amazes me about PNSQC is it's a quality organization run by volunteers, which brings out that expertise in people. So
That
that
is true.
enabling knowledge exchange for better quality software is just year after year after year hitting it out of the park. So
Yeah.
even right now, we're starting on the 2016 theme. We're about ready to
Wow.
finalize that. That's actively happening right now. So we're super excited.
Yeah, we're
I
all
have
excited.
I have a question for you. So this year was like kind of like, we had like so many announcements going out, marketing and everything. Every week you had new announcements and new stuff going out. Aren't you afraid you're going to run out of ideas?
No, no. You know why? Because we have more people contributing, and that becomes an aggregate to really the growth and the impact of the organization. So until we're out of people on this planet, I don't think we are going to run
Wow.
out.
That's a very
Yes,
good.
That's why we need you. You
Yes.
can be part of this amazing team next year in 2016. So sign up. And thank you. See you later.
Go quality.
Woo!